this video, we have explained all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, the video location, standing by attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Let's talk about the amenities of this property. So you can see the facility and this will require dependent photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.